Gratitude can turn iron into gold. Stronger immune systems. Feel happier? It will surely guide your child towards a good life. Hello, it's Mayu, coming to you from Hiroshima, Japan. Welcome to my channel, ZEN Harmony Parenting. Our mission here is raising future global leaders with the teachings of harmony. And today, I'm excited to share some lessons from Japanese parenting. Today's theme is the importance of saying thank you and expressing gratitude. We'll talk about how a habit of gratitude can guide your child to a better life. In Japan, parents teach their children to say thank you. The word thank you in Japanese is Arigato, which literally means something rare and valuable. It's about more than the expressing thanks. It's recognizing and respecting the inner value of the person you are thanking. Did you know that in Japan, we extend your graduate to objects as well? For example, when my daughter throws away socks that no longer fit or are worn out, she wraps them in paper and gently places them in the trash, saying, "Thank you very much." Even though the socks can't respond, this habit of expressing gratitude even to garbage might seem strange to some. But my daughter has been doing this since she was 7 years old. When clothing or toys become unusable, she always says thank you before throwing them away, appreciating how these items serve her purpose. By being grateful, she learns to value things and, in turn, value people. I do the same. When letting go of items, I say thank you from the bottom of my heart. We also apply this gratitude to food. When food is in front of us, we are mindful of all the hands that contributed to its presence. The farmers, transporters, cooks, and more. This understanding nurtures a sense of gratitude for the food and the people involved in bringing it to our table. Gratitude enhances our appreciation of objects, leading us to take better care of them. Gratitude for people leads us to cherish our relationships. Most Japanese people share this philosophy of approaching both things and people with gratitude. I'm sure you know Panasonic, the Japanese electronics company. Konosuke Matsushita, founder of Panasonic, once shared a profound insight. Gratitude has the power to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. If you receive something and view it as worthless, its value remains low. But when you approach it with gratitude, you discover its worth and make better use of it. In this way, I believe gratitude can turn iron into gold. This mindset, I believe, contributed to Panasonic producing high-quality products and establishing the global reputation of Japanese goods. Not only that, expressing gratitude has scientifically proven benefits. According to Dr. Robert Emmons at the University of California, people who practice gratitude have stronger immune systems, feel happier, and are more sociable and generous. Interestingly, saying thank you benefits the person expressing it more than the one receiving it. So saying thank you and being grateful is also for your benefit. When you use an item or eat a meal, take a moment to think about the people behind it and express your gratitude. Incorporate this habit into your parenting, and it will surely guide your child towards a good life. Today, we talked about the importance of saying thank you and expressing gratitude. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share your thoughts and comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. See you in the next video. ありがとうございました。